Hello, and welcome to Rita's Roots and the Quilted Chicken Farm. Well, it's late evening here. It's almost time to go make my husband supper. But I have him some leftovers. I made him a pot of dumplings today and made some beans and cornbread, made cinnamon rolls and an angel food cake. I've ate so many of those cinnamon rolls. They were good. May have to have another one before bedtime tonight, but it's and Central Time, it's 6:23. But I've had these boxes, and it's a Saturday, but I had some boxes come, so we have to see what's in them. So I've got my Jackie helper here. Jackie's gonna help me open them. We're gonna see what's in them. We'll leave that one second. We'll do this one first. This one's actually, if I can get out from under that one. This one's not very heavy. It's not. I think it's a bolted fabric, but it don't have much weight to it. Well, I'm going to stand up. Can't do anything sitting down. Can you? Let me tilt that. Let me move you just a little bit. Well, yeah, you can see here. That makes it nice. Look at that. Oh. Oh. It's another bolt. Is it like that one? Yes. I don't know why, but they sent me two bolts like that. That's pretty. Chesley's. I wish I could say that word right. But it's another one. The mulberry colored. And I've showed you guys that. So that's all that is. I did get two more bolts that go with the Julia. Some of y'all, they just come yesterday. And I didn't open them on the camera. But they go with the Julia collection. That's what they look like. All right. So that was all that was in that box. Let's get this box. It's a big flat shape. Let me show you the shape of it. See how big that is? And it come from a different company. So we'll see. I think it's probably layer cakes. Be real careful opening. Don't want to cut too far down. Go this way. One more corner to do. Now, close that and open this up. Well, they're pretty, and they are. They're layer cakes. This one's called Enchanted by RJR Fabrics. There's two of them there. Well, let's see if I can take some of that plastic off so we can look at them colors. I've got two of them, and it's Enchanted. Looks like it's got blues and purples and just lots of colors of pretty big bold flowers. Some of it looks like. So that's a pretty layer cake. 42 pieces, 10 by 10 inches. Two of those. Let's put them right there. What's next? This one's pretty. Let me take one out. Open it up just a little bit so I can show it. What collection? P&B Textiles with the honeybees. Looks like lots of plaids, and ooh, those some pretty ones in there. Bees and butterflies on that one. That's a pretty set too. Garden Buzz. That one is Garden Buzz. Move those out of the way. And this is Stitch Garden by Cherry Gudry. And those are the colors in it. There's the main one on the front. Well, let me show you. It's a Stitch Garden, and some of them have the sewing machine motifs on them. You can, if that's focusing in on that or not. Be right here. See if I can hold it a little better, Rita. Stitch Garden. And I've got two of those. This one is Felicity. Well, I'm not going to take it out of the package. Felicity Fabrics, and this is called Biggies. But I think it's got some oranges and kind of teal greens. That's pretty too. Got 4 of those. What else? Oh, one bolt of this, just cause I wanted some yellow gingham type stuff. And this is Riley Blake Bee Gingham Daisy colored. So I got that. And how many of these did I get? Oh, only 2 little patterns here. Trouble and Boo Designs. No, there's 2 of them. They're each different. Trouble and Boo Designs. And this one is called When the Cat's Away. Isn't that cute? And this one is called Remy's New Home. And look at that wall hanging. Isn't that cute? And I'm look. Somebody asked me about a pattern. Let me look, see if I've got it over here. And I do. I've got Illusions over there. One more box. This one's from Amazon. I'll open it and see if I'll show you what's in it or not. I'm not sure yet. Might not be anything for the quilt house, and then it might be. I don't know. I can't remember what I ordered. Oh, I know. It was a project I wanted to make with my sisters. And so it's some wreaths to tie some little remnants of fabric on and make a wreath. So that's what that is. That's for another day. I'll show you, do something with that. And that's all I've got to show you. I need to sell some layer cakes. This one's Felicity. This one is Stitch Garden, and it's the one with the sewing machines in it. This one, what did I say that was called? Garden Buzz. And wasn't there one more? There was Enchanted Fields. Yeah, those are pretty. That'd make a really bright, colorful quilt. That's all I've got to show you this time. I don't know. Let me walk over here. I'll show you what's on the shelf. There's my Julia fabrics. That's the Julias. Over here is the Chesleys. And all I have left of my Kansas Troubles quilters is those 4. I've still got some of those layer cakes. And there is a songbook, a new page. Got those 4. And just some of the other odds and ends. And some patterns over there. Still got some t-shirts. I'm kind of getting behind on doing things. I really am. That's all for me this video. I'm going to go to the house and I'm going to peel some taters and fry them for my husband's supper to go with his leftovers, because he specifically requested me to fry him some potatoes. So I can do that. We can have fried taters. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.